Who has hiccups? Graham, do you have hiccups? Oh, I think you do. I think you have your first hiccups. Yeah. 1 day old, just home from the hospital.